Now, I want to share with you, this is very common right here on your process right here as a beginner trader here. One day, you saw breakout. You rush and quickly click the button and click buy. You get overexcited right here. And the moment when you click the button, sometimes newbie trader, you often ignore the correct position size. Example, you're supposed to key in 0.10 lot or 1.00 lot, but mistakenly you have a default system. So you see this trading panel right here or your trading panel right here on your mobile, you be often ignore the correct position size. You know, when you make this mistake, this could blow out your account, especially when you have a big spread. Those who have a small account right here, by mistakenly click a wrong position size, it can blow up your account just like that. Okay, so this is what happened normally to a lot of newbie right here. Okay, so whenever this thing happens, so there's a tip so that if you mistakenly key in bigger lot size than the usual one, quickly cut loss and exit immediately the trade and accept the mistakes. Okay, and then if you still have spare some money right there, adjust back your trade first with the correct position. You still in the trade, but adjust back your position and be strong and be brave. Believe and have faith that you will recoup your losses soon. Okay, now second thing right here, if you mistakenly key in the big lot size, okay, and if your current trade happen to almost break even or almost cover your broker fee, exit immediately and adjust back your trade with the correct position size and trade back into the market again. Okay, so that's a bit quick tips and guide. And promise to yourself right here, from now on, every time you trade, even though how excited you are, open up your eyes and check your position size. If possible, check more than 3 times. Is that a correct number? Is that the correct position size? Okay? Alright. So, next things right here. Adjusting stop loss. There's 2 things right why trader adjusting stop loss. Okay, especially newbie. Because of fear or probably because of hope. So I give you first situation right here. This trader right here already calculated the stop loss and already placed a stop loss right here. Okay, there's no judgment, there's no news. This trader right here was affected by the chart right here. There's nothing, there's still no news, there's nothing, but suddenly they saw there's one red candle right here drop and it's almost near to the stop loss. So this trader right here exited the trade without following the plan. Why? Because fear of losing money. And suddenly they see the next candle right here. Oh, the market bounced a little bit and bounced a little bit more and bounced a little bit more and suddenly rebound back. And this is what happened to most newbie trader. They're feeling regret about what they feel like, if I know this. So this is what every newbie trader say, if I know about this thing, I should not remove or I should not exit the trade first. All right, so this is what happened if you are driven by fear of losing money. Okay, next one right here. Adjusting the stop loss, you hoping the price will reverse or rebound to the direction that you want. Like say for example right here, you already put your calculated stop loss right here and you're thinking about the market might be rebounding and you adjust your stop loss right here slightly lower. Oh, come on, it's gonna rebound, and the market up a little bit. You say, okay, you want to give a little bit more space right here, so you adjust even lower right here your stop loss. So now you even have bigger risk, okay, bigger stop loss, and suddenly you see this pop. There you go, the market hit your stop loss, and now your risk is even bigger compared to what you calculated early on. So this is what happened. Okay, when you using hope, okay, you were hoping. Okay, and of course as a newbie right here, they always say that if I know this, I will never change my stop loss level. All right, so tips and guide right here. Number one, if this thing happened to you, okay, it's all right. Just cut loss, okay? And remember that cut loss is normal. So accept it, okay? And learn to be strong, okay? Next thing right here, when you already cut loss, okay? One thing right here is you are building muscle in your emotion, okay? So you just need to accept first, even though you accidentally make the mistake or you not intentionally make that mistake, just accept it, okay? It's build that muscle in your emotion, okay? And then don't revenge to the market. I want you to wait until the market give you a clear signal. If there's still no signal, don't trade first. Wait until the market give you a super clear signal, and then you can enter back the market. Alright, so I want you to stay clear regardless whatever the storm right here in front of you, regardless whatever the volatility right here. I know you feel like you want to win back the money that you lose, but please stay clear. Wait until you see all setup is clear. Then only you go in and trade into the market. Another one more tips right here. Sometimes after you place the order, sometimes it's good just to close your laptops or your desktop, switch it off. Whatever happened, let it happen. Just do something else. Sometimes it works. Alright? It's so simple so that you don't get emotional and you watch the chart every single hour, every single minute, unless that you're a scalper. Alright? So tips and guide right here, okay? For those who swing and position trade, just let it happen, because remember, you already calculate early on what is the risk that you can take. Okay? Next one right here, adjusting the take profit level driven by greed and fear. I give you first situation right here. This is your TP level. Okay, if there is a news supporting towards this pair right here, there's no problem. You can adjust your TP. There's nothing wrong with that. But assume there's no news, you adjust your TP. You have the original target profit right here, but you adjust your take profit, because why? You're thinking about, hey, the market probably gonna go up high. You look at all the technical analysis, you suddenly don't see any reason, but you just start to use your emotional to judge the way how you trade. And you increase your target profit right here. And of course, first round right here, it did hit your first early target profit. And because you greed, you adjust higher a little bit more. You adjust more because you want to get more money. You want to get more profit. There's nothing wrong with that if you know how to control it. But by just driven by greed, this is what happened to people. And when you see that, hey, look, the price is almost hit to my TP, and suddenly something happened like this. You will shock, you will surprise, and you say that, oh, if I know about this, I should take my profit early. And because you see a long candle like this, you end up take profit right here. And the moment when you take the profit, sometimes the market go back again, and this is what make every trader feel frustrated. And every trader right here, you will see this once in a while in your life. Okay, now I want to share with you the second situation right here, where you already put your target profit right here at this level, and you see that the price right here is almost near to your target profit, and you say that, okay, I think this is just fine. There's nothing wrong to take profit right here. There's nothing wrong. Okay, if there's no news, there's nothing, if there's a news against this trade right here, yes, you can take your profit, but assume like everything is okay. Every day is a normal day. No news, no high impact news. There's nothing. You put your target profit right here, and you say that, hey, it's almost near to your target profit. But because of your fear of losing the money, you take your profit early. You take your profit early from the table. And of course, sometimes you feel like, gosh, I feel good. Luckily, I took early the profit. Oh, what if the price just reverse and go down? At least I already secure my... Suddenly you see this candle right here appear, and you say, oh my god. If I don't, again right here, you say, if I know this is gonna happen, I'll be making slightly extra more. Yes, this is what happened to every newbie trader. Okay, so the tips and guide right here. First of all, okay, when you take profits, just in case if you already take your profit early on, it's okay, just accept it and be gratitude about that one. But next time right here, if you see the similar situation again, in order for you to control your greed, what you can do is actually you can take profit by percentage, or you can take profit in stages. Okay, so if you hit your TP, you can take half first and let the other run. So that's what make you feel a bit good, because at least you have something half still running. If the market continue run, you can take it again, another few half of it, and let the balance run until the market reverse. Okay, and right here, I think one of the important thing right here is, as a trader right here, is you cannot win everything. Okay, you will take what is belong to you and let the balance will be taken care by the other traders. It's their luck, it's their gift. Never mind, you already accept, you already get what you want. The market already give what's supposed to belong to you. So learn how to be grateful for what. Okay, if you don't be grateful, next time you won't get it anymore. Okay, so learn how to be grateful. Okay, even you exit early, just learn, accept the profit, welcome the profit. Okay, now next part right here, if you get a chance right here, you can use the CTK Trading Pad Pro, which is the virtual trading pad. That will help you. Okay, next thing right here, trailing stop loss. Okay, trailing stop loss will help to protect your profit. So usually for non-volatile pairs, you can use 30 to 40 pips. Okay, your trailing stops. For a very volatile pairs, okay, you can use about 50 to 60 pips. Okay, your trailing stop. Okay, so this is a very simple tips and guide. Okay, most important thing right here, learn to be gratitude. Okay, learn to be grateful for what you have. Okay, because if you learn how to be grateful, you will get more. You will get more in future, trust me. Okay, next thing right here, overconfidence.